Today I'm going to show you how to make Genmojis with ChatGPT in a super simple, beginner-friendly way. If you've seen those custom emoji-style images online and wondered how people make them, this is the quick method to try. It's perfect for creating fun stickers, reactions, social posts, or just making your chats feel more personal and creative. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ChatGPT on your browser or in the app. Once you're inside, you're ready to start creating your Genmoji-style image. The key here is to be very clear with your prompt, because the more specific you are, the better the result will be. Now, in the prompt box, type something like, create a cute emoji of a smiling face with sunglasses, cartoon style, bright colors. This gives ChatGPT a clear direction. You're telling it the subject, the style, and the mood all at once. That's what helps generate something that looks more like a fun Genmoji and less like a random image. If you want to improve the result, try adding more details. For example, you can say, make it round, colorful, glossy, and playful. You can also change the expression depending on what you want. If you want a happy version, say happy and cheerful. If you want something more dramatic, say angry with bold eyebrows. If you want a calm one, say sleepy with soft eyes. These little changes can completely transform the final look. You can also customize the style to make it more unique. For example, you could ask for a funny expression, a 3D sticker look, a soft pastel style, or a clean minimal emoji design. If the first result isn't exactly what you want, don't worry, just refine the prompt and try again. That's one of the best parts of using ChatGPT. You can keep adjusting until it matches your idea. A great tip is to keep your prompt short but descriptive. For instance, instead of writing something vague like, make an emoji, try smiling face with sunglasses, cartoon style, bright colors, funny expression. That gives the tool much more to work with and usually leads to a better result. Once your Genmoji is generated, you can download it and use it as a sticker or emoji wherever you want. You can save it to your device, send it in messages, or even use it in content creation. It's a fun way to add personality to your digital communication. If you want to make multiple Genmojis, just repeat the process with different expressions and styles. You could make happy, angry, sleepy, excited, or shocked versions, so you have a full set ready to use. That makes your custom emoji collection much more useful and creative. And that's it. You now know how to make Genmojis with ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. Open ChatGPT, write a clear prompt, customize the expression and style, then download and use your creation as a sticker or emoji. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.